Dr. Steven Kalonzo Musyoka kwa Ivinda yambe itinakukwatana ni mathoka Ukamba ni yimwe ngaliko sia mwingi. Kalonzo ni watetea itambi yake akukwatana na Raila Odinga ayasekana oni wosiona ni wawailite na kwathana kana mase ovya silikali ni mwabetanga ungei ula withitwe silikali ni Raila Odinga ngaliko yake ni wathana kubetanga bata wa mwolio kwa kunenga Akamba kiwo ayathana kutethia siana ndiwa na ivetindiwa asa kwata musumbe wa nthi ya Kenya unyuvanini munene ula ukite.
Running down here with water, taking all the way to the Indian Ocean. The Indian Ocean does not need water. It has insufficient water. Water is required here, on the land here. We will bring water closer to where people live, so that people can be able to live comfortably. Our women do not have to walk so many kilometers in search of water.
Sasa kumekucha. I want my brother Raila to know whatever formations they come up with, whatever political formations, this is the time for brother Raila to be president of Kenya. And I commend him for resilience, for ability to stand strong.
The child goes to school, and when a job is advertised, he's eminently qualified. But because of his ethnic background, he's denied a chance. When he goes to an interview, the moment he mentions his name, Mutua, oh, we're naribu kati yake. Hapa hatutaki Mutua hapa, hatutaki Makao hapa. There's somebody they're looking for. This is something that we must actually put to the back burners.
I mean, we have done it correctly. And this time, you know the story in 2013, the story in 2017. This time, by God's grace and help, Kenya is going to be liberated from the corruption we have seen. Yani wizi wa ajabu, wizi ambao hujaonekana anywhere else, not even in Nigeria. Because we used to believe Nigerians ndio walikuwa viongozi walikuwa wezi, lakini sasa tumeona by example.